Rubbadubbers, splish, splash, splish, splosh. Here come the Rubbadubbers, splish, splash, splosh. Here's Tubb.
Rubbadubbers, Floshy.
Rubbadubbers,
Fitbar!
Rubbadubbers, splish, splash, splosh.
Terrence!
Rubbadubbers,
Banana!
Rubbadubbers,
Reg and Amelia. Here come the Rubbadubbers, splish, splash, splish, splosh.
Here come the Rubbadubbers, splish, splash, splosh. Here come the Rubbadubbers, splish, splash, splosh.
Woo-woo! Benji and Sis's train is swimming! All aboard! All aboard!
And I heard them say this train is carrying gold.
Gold! Is that good or bad? Good, Terence. Very good. People think gold is very important. Even more important than bubbles? Much more important, Terence. Ooh.
When's the train leaving? I want to make the train sound. Chuff, chuff, arr, arr, chuff, chuff.
Good whistle, Winona.
Hey, Amelia! Are you going to ride in our train?
No thanks. I'll stick to flying.
Okay, I'll drive.
But I wanted to drive, Tubb.
I'll stoke the engine, shall I? Oh, that looks like fun. Can I stoke?
You just said you were driving. Stoking is Terrence's job.
But I can stoke and drive. Okay. Chuff! Chuff! Arr! Arr! Chuff! Chuff!
Hey, chuffing is my job. Arr, arr, arr.
Woo!
Tubb, what are you doing? You can't drive, stoke, chuff and whistle.
I can.
No, you can't.
Can. If only this were a real train, I'd show you I could do everything. Hey, this is a real train. So that means I'm a real train driver. Swim-in! I can do everything. I can blow the whistle. I can stoke. And there's loads of chuffing. This is swim-in.
Excuse me, Mr. Train Driver. You look very busy. Can I help?
No thank you, madam. You're a passenger. You just enjoy the ride.
I'm a passenger too, but I could blow the whistle if you want.
No. Thank you very much, sir. But I've got it all under control. I don't need any help at all, thank you.
Oh.
This train is a very special one. It's carrying gold.
Gold?
Yes, real gold. So I have to be in charge.
Well, if you're sure.
Look, train robbers. They must be after your gold. What? Where?
We're the mighty train robbers.
We've come for the gold.
See, I told you.
Hey!
I did it. Hey.
Oh dear. Excuse me, would you mind holding this?
Okay.
Now what?
Here, let me help. How's this?
Perfect, thank you very much.
Nice work, terrifying Terence.
Hey! Wait a minute! You can't do this!
We already have. Let's get the gold.
Hey, hold on.
We don't have to listen to you. You're our prisoner.
Oh, but I want to be a robber.
Me. So do I.
Really?
Yeah. Being robbers looks like much more fun than being passengers.
You're right. It's so much fun.
And anyway, train driver Tubb doesn't need us.
He can do everything.
So, you want to join the most mighty robbers in the whole wide world?
Oh, yes, please.
Well, come Come on then.
To the gold!
To the gold. Yeah, well, you won't get away with this. Oh no! That's the one that controls how fast this train is going. Oh, the train's going faster and faster. Ah! It's a runaway train!
Oh no! It's a runaway train! We've got to stop it!
Untie me! I'm the only one who can save the train. Right. If I can just blow the whistle, pull the this, twist the that. Nearly there. Oh, chuff, 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 chuff. Don't worry.
We're going faster and faster!
Huh? Okay, don't worry. It's no good. The train's out of control. You have to stop the train before it gets to the bend.
We are going too fast!
We'll go off the track.
This is mighty scary.
There's no time. I need some help.
We thought you could do it all.
I can't. I tried, but I can't. If we work as a team, we might just do it. Excuse me, madam. Would you mind pulling on the brake?
Splish, splash, splosh! No problem!
Terrifying, Terence. Could you pour water on the fire, please?
Oh, yes, it would be my pleasure.
And, sir, would you blow the whistle? I'll drive.
And the mighty Robber Finbar will cheer when it's all over.
Okay, everyone. Action stations! Come on, team. That's it. All together. Keep going. We're slowing down. We've stopped. We did it.
The mighty Robber Finbar cheered, hip, hip, hooray!
Hooray! You helped me save the train. How can I ever thank you?
Good question. Give us a minute. We've got it. You can thank us by letting us steal your gold.
But stealing is a terrible thing to do.
What? Even for robbers like us?
Oh, yes. I tell you what, I won't let you steal my gold, but I will share it with you.
Share?
Good idea!
Okay then, to the gold!
To the gold!
Here we are, the very important gold.
But it's empty. There's nothing there.
Actually, I don't remember putting the gold in the safe. Oh, if only I'd asked someone to help me remember to load the gold in the first place. Oh, I'm not a real train driver anymore. No more chuff-chuffs.
So maybe we should just go and do something else while you play on the train.
What?
Well, it's no fun if you do everything, Tubb.
Oh, you're right, Sploshy. Do you want to drive?
Splish, splash, splosh! Yes, please!
Of course you can be the Whistle Winona.
What are you going to do, Tubb?
Well, I think I'll be a passenger. Who's going to be the conductor?
Oh, me. I will. And then I can say, all aboard, all aboard.
Is there room for a mighty scary train robber?
Rubbadubbers, Benji and Sis are coming. Bath time scramble. It's bath time! Swim in! That was fun. Goodbye.
Yay! Yeah!
Hey!